explain what this trip was about. Anyways, we're in Thailand. We're gonna do a little Southeast Asia tour. Main goal is to climb Mount KK, see relatives and people. So we'll stop by KK, Kuching, Cebu, KL, Singapore. And right now it's 5:45. We're about to catch breakfast, but we're on low sleep. We are on low sleep. Yeah, that Thai milk tea we had. We've been awake for 2 hours and asleep for 2 hours. Thai milk tea does have tea in it. You'd think we could tolerate it being British, but we actually don't drink that much tea anyways. And Thai milk tea is a little crazy. Anyways, elephant! It has to be a good day. It's elephant day. Yeah.
Oh man, like it actually happened in my dream.
That's great.
Oh,
I believe you. Christmas songs at 6 a.m. in Bangkok. What a time to be alive. Crash count. Let's do a crash count of the day. Whoa. Everyday crazy. Well, that's crazy. I'm 23 and I see this for the first time. Wow. That's crazy. Oh, these jellyfish. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I think so. I'll just take one.
3, 2, 1. Yeah. That's fine.
I've got nothing more. I'll get you some more.
They need more.
Thank you. So cute.
Oh, what's she doing?
I want to know.
Especially if it's itchy.
So when we arrived, we had a briefing and then the caretakers told us stories about each elephant, their personalities, their names. I noted it all down. One was even called like a lazy one, which I think my group mate's about to mention. There you go.
Make elephant say, oh, I'm very happy. Okay. If they work a lot, then not good. Not good.
It was so fun to just spot the personality traits of each elephant and being like, oh, that's Anchan, that's Tammy, that's Doi Doi, and really felt like we knew the elephants like personally, which was good because I mean we're kind of gonna bathe them. Two-step. So before going on this trip, I really wanted to ride an elephant, and I realized the more ethical way of interacting with them, to my understanding, is bathing them, feeding them, tracking them. And Lulu, the caretaker, was telling us that they were rescued from logging and circus and harsh training backgrounds, so it was just really great to see them in the spot. I did do my best to research which sanctuary would be treating them well and just being very ethical in the way that they're handling these elephants. It is really hard to tell, and I can only hope that they're being transparent, and from what I could observe, they weren't being forced in the water if they didn't want to. And here's me and Gloria following them around just so we could give them a good wash, and there was so much mud on their backs. For the whole time that I was there, I was just taking it all in, learning so much about elephants and just stunned at the realization that I could interact with them like this and take care of them. So I was really grateful. And yeah, definitely do your research if you're planning to visit elephants as well.
Our tour guide, his name is Lulu. He is the... Wait, Lulu's the what one?
The oldest?
No.
That's the Zebra.
No, I know. So what's his... Ah, the sexy one. Lulu, right there.
Do you have plate water?
Sure.
Use this.
How far are you guys?
So much better than yesterday. Yeah. Look how big that jacket is. Back in Bangkok after a good nap. It's reusable.
Next station, Bangkok.
Interesting. This section is like all London themed. Little £3 snack before we start shopping again. Nom, 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 nom. The two things stuck in my head. Excuse me, are you open-minded? And thank you, Kataki. I want more. So many boutique shops. Pickpocketed. I was in charge of the 500 notes. It must have been on the tube, the metro. It's quite hard to shop in Asia if you don't have the conventional body type. These shops smell of neroli and it makes so much sense. Locals tell us it's grab for 40 minutes. Because that took us 45 minutes.
Oh, no, let's try this time.
Oh my gosh. After trying to get our dinner, it's in our hands. In plastic bags. Fair enough. This place has like, from what I can see, 6 awards. 2023, 2024. Oh, that's a good consistency.
Agreed. That's literally what David got said.
Oh, I'm ready to be a food blogger. If you guys like innards, I'm sure it'll be good. But mine doesn't have innards. Fresh. Oh, it's meatball. I thought it was pieces of pork for some reason.
But I don't like the consistency.
I like the consistency. I like it when it's ricey enough, but not too ricey. The century egg is so creamy. You can choose salted, century, or normal. Whoa, it's so greasy. We are at the railway market. We're waiting for the 8:30 train to pass by. Oh, you can try one.
What?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow. They're prepping for the train. It's so funny. Last sprints for safe.
For a video? So many phones. She's giving fan service.
The way that girl came out so quick. It's so overstimulated. How do they get the produce in? Because there's no like back door or anything. Bring out your head. I would like to bargain, but it's difficult. £20.
politically correct with my pose. Wait, give me my politically correct posing. The locals living here. I'm definitely allergic to mosquitoes because what is this?
I was a tourist guide, I'll be like,
That's kind of what they're all saying. Basically what we're asking is, do you trust tourist guides who say like, oh, this place is the best, or this place is not a scam? Because like, they're
what he said
affiliated.
is people have been feeding back to me and they were saying this one's the best, and so I recommend this one. That's what he said.
Oh, that's good then. It's very tourist trappy. Rewind to our feeling in Korea. That's how it feels. But a little less intense. Korea actually made me like anxious.
Yeah,
That was bad.
it was just that market.
It was just that market. Oh, it's louder now. I couldn't hear in my head. We've been seeing this and been shouted at to get this everywhere. It's finally time to try. Wow. With the peanuts really good. And oh, I need my fork for this. There's coconut flesh. How do they all make it so well? Sorry, I splashed at you guys. Thank you. That's for my inflammation. That's one bite. This became this, and it's hard. Okay. So apparently, if it's like this, it's called mosquito syndrome. Got a Thai tea bun, and then these two drinks. Elegance, elegance, elegance. That looks so pretty, apart from this village. But look at this. That's a mess. It's really, really good. This is the oat milk one. It's meant to be less strong, right? Yeah. I like the Chiang Rai better. Chiang Rai is good. Is it cornflakes?
Nice bread. What does it say? Serving up some sweet happiness.
That is satisfying.
The bun. Fragrant. I'm satisfied with my Thai tea.
Yeah. The ice cream translates it well.
Yeah, it's nice brew.
Yeah, it's really
I love that.
It's like candy. What wash?
Do not press any button.
Wait, which wash did you put it on?
It says automatic.
No, which wash did you put on?
Yeah, it says do not press any buttons.
No, me this. What's
No,
that
that's
called?
why like it wouldn't do anything.
Lots of Michelin stores today.
Things are soft.
Oyster pancake and crab fried rice. Is it good?
The texture would be opposite to some, but fresh.
Bussin'. Absolutely bussin'. So good. This is our favorite restaurant so far. Restaurant? Eatery. This and my ex ramen noodle.
Feels so
Yeah, nighttime was very sketch. Everyone's got the same idea. Chinatown is one of the better places to stay in because it's got a lot going on and it's busy, but it means everything's convenient. She wanted to add on good connectivity as well, which is true. You can walk pretty much everywhere. Some
They say nice.
Yeah.
I never thought I would actually have Thai green curry in Thailand.
Anyways, I'm sweating my mustache off. Yeah, it tastes like the rogan, or as other people call it, bakwa. Chickens always bring such childhood memories. Well, that escalated fast. We were gonna escape, but we couldn't. That was, oh no! Immunity juice. I can feel my immunity juicing.
Very delicious actually.
Watermelon.
Good morning. Do not drink Thai tea again. That's a note to myself.
We run out of pounds to exchange, and it's a very cash-heavy country. And the exchange rates are so bad on the ATM machines. We're just shopping in Platinum and wondering if that's the culture here in Thailand to say thank you as you leave the store. Because I know in Britain, like, we say, oh, thank you, even if you didn't get anything. Because the shop owners here are confused. Platinum, the wholesale mall, floors and floors of just wholesale clothes. Tastes like kue bahulu. Everything gets put on this card, and we had to count everything exactly to finish our balance. Because there were things like 49, it's like, who's gonna sell 41? Yeah. So we got salted egg corn sompam, Thai sausage, red sauce, iced lemon tea.
When in Asia, can't miss out any of the bakery goods. Just look at the range.
We got the sweet potato, honey cream cheese, cheesy bread, sausage for the truffle cheese, and then sweet potato bread.
It's not just potato bread.
I don't really know what it is. It looks cool. Honey cream cheese. I thought it was cakey, but it's ready.
Oh, there.
Look at the real sweet potato bits in here. It's so good. The lumbo green.
Oh, I can smell it.
It hasn't fully melted yet, but you can see the cube of cheese inside.
Where are you going, Dora?
I'm gonna get beer tonight.
Going to
I will wait and see the review in shop button and then.
Product technology. So like I'm in the cheese team, so I manage our caramel.
But it's hard with fish sauce.
I feel like this is gonna be good. Is this the best?
Yeah, I think it's the best.
Okay.
Was this pork belly?
No, pork is like
Oh. The smokiness.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
She made it.
Wow, her brain is here.
Yeah.
People have stickers to like customize.
Your dog.
That's crazy. It tastes like mian texture and flavor. Really good. Chinese style. Wow. This is egg, shrimp, and rice roasted.
Yeah. How long did you go there?
Not the best for me. Ice cream is sweating. It looks like steamed egg. Came at a good time. For this holiday and not raining. Guys, you just realized
I bought it to shoot me like a whole pack.
the last time they met, she got this. That was 5 years ago. Maria's been using this. This is the old, this is the new. I'm using this for my insect mark.
Oh yeah.
Airport.